Welcome to the first lesson of our KiCad 9 PCB Design course. In this module, we'll explore what KiCad is and why it's one of the most powerful tools available for designing printed circuit boards. KiCad is an open-source electronic design automation (EDA) software suite that allows you to create schematic diagrams, PCB layouts, 3D models, and even generate manufacturing-ready files like Gerber's. It's developed by a global community and backed by CERN, which means it's reliable, constantly improving, and completely... So why should you choose KiCad? First, it's 100% free and open source. No subscriptions, no limitations on board size or layers. Second, it offers professional-grade features suitable not just for hobbyists, but also for startups and companies building real products. With KiCad 9, you get a powerful PCB editor, an enhanced 3D viewer, and tools for multi-layer routing and advanced roll checks. It also supports a massive library ecosystem and community plugins. Plus, you can import footprints and symbols from sites like Snap EDA or Ultra Librarian. Finally, it works across all major platforms: Windows, Linux, and Mac OS.